Hey YouTube, it's the Josie2000 here, and today I'm showing you this. It's Victorinox Swiss Army knife camping, and get straight to the main features. Large blade, that's really not working out. Large blade, small blade. Yep, I'm in my car, going to school. This is the way I go. I'll just show you that quickly because there's a car in front of us. Okay, large blade, small blade, wood saw, right there. These are all on top, by the way. Bottle opener. Bottle opener, screwdriver, wire stripper, flathead. I suppose you could also use it for Phillips. Can opener and screwdriver. Corkscrew, down onto the bottom, corkscrew. And leather punch, so it's a reamer and a sewing thing. Like all Victorinox Swiss Army knives. A toothpick that slides into a hole. And the tweezers slides into another hole. And then a keyring. That's basically it. It's good for whittling and carving because you can just saw something off and carve or whittle with that. And the other things are just helpful, like the bottle opener is really good. So yep, I hope you like my car.